If you are asking yourself how we can create some complex line types like this in our Revit project for different purposes, we will learn that in this video. Let's go. This is Javadhamidi, co-founder of TATBIM. In this channel, we upload weekly tutorials about Revit, Dynamo, and other kind of BIM software. So don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. It is not really common in all of the projects, but sometimes we need some line types that are mixture of lines and also text like this. It's not really, it doesn't have any a straight way to create this kind of lines. We need to combine two kind of family together: line-based family and annotation, generic annotation family. Let's go to the screen share and let me show you how to do that. Okay, we are going to this step by step, so don't miss any one. To create this family, we need two family environment. The first one is the first step you need to do is going to the file menu and click on new family and select your appropriate standard. I'm going to use English metric, and from here go to the annotation tab and select the metric generic annotation. Open this family and create a new one, and as soon as possible delete this node. We don't need that because I'm going to create text, so I'm going to use from label tool. Click on label and click somewhere, and now you can create a parameter for your text. Let me name it text, and I'm going to put it on instance mode. Also the value is going to be text, and add it to your label. Okay, click on OK, and let me make it a little bit smaller. Maybe 1 millimeter would be great, and click on OK, and let me create a parameter for the text too. Let's go to the edit type. It's really bad. We can create a parameter for text size. I hope Autodesk would fix that. But for the text, we have a parameter. Okay, let me save this one on my desktop, maybe text1, and save it. And the next step is we need another family, which is we are going to English metric again, and from here we have a family which called metric generic model line based. It's appropriate for the families that are going to place in line, so it will work for our purpose. Select this and click on open and create a new one. Okay, it's great, but the first step here, we need to load this one in another family. So it's going to be a nested family. Okay, I'm going to place this here, but or somewhere else. It's not really necessary. And place your text, maybe ELV would be great. And let me use my align tool to place this family at the right place. And also don't forget to lock the grids together. And let me make it a little bit bigger. The next step, we are going to use array tool, which will specify our numbers of ELV text in our lines. Select this one and click on array, and now we are going to use second method. So click on here and place the next one in wherever you want. It's not very important here. Then we need three parameters. We have length. We are going to create a parameter between the two ELV, which we would name it to a space or S, and also we are going to create another parameter for the numbers of these ELVs. Okay, let me convert this dimension to a parameter, maybe S, and also it must be instance parameter. And again, select one of them and select this dimension here, and let me create a Let me create a parameter for the numbers, and the numbers will be driven by the length divided by s. So we have all the parameters. Let's go to the family type, and let me create a formula for our numbers. It's going to be length divided by s, and it will be fully parametric. All of them should be instances, so formula would work. Okay, this is great, and let me make this family a little bit bigger and see the results. You can see it's working greatly, and we love this. The next step is you need to create a line. You can use, but let me check the space again, and let me change this to see that family is working or not. It is working nicely. Also, we need a line to do that. You can use model line and also detail line. I'm going to use model lines here. Let me draw it from here to here. Okay, this is great. The next step is you need to press tab to select the line, and you need to align this with with the start of this reference line and also with the end of this reference line. Press AL for align, and align this reference line with this point and lock it. And also you should do the same things for the start too. It will be keep this line consistent to the family. And let me load this one to my project. But before that, let me save it, and then we are going to upload this family to the project. Okay, click on OK, and now to be able to place that, you need to make sure the drawing mode or placement mode is on place on workplane. Okay, click on this, and now we can place our lines very better. And also you can use symbols instead of text too. So it can be open many opportunities for you to create complex shapes. And also for these flipped ones, you can select them and use this control button here, and you can flip them, and maybe it would be better for us. You saw how easy it is to do that with family environments, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. It will help us a lot to create more videos like this. I will see you on the next session.